$99 at Metro PCS after $50 mail-in rebate.
Hi YouTube, it's your girl Lovely Pamela and I'm back with the face of the day. Okay, under my eye I have Hunter Green eyeliner from Wet n Wild. On my lid I have used my Wet n Wild, is it 100 palette color with the blushes on the bottom and the lipsticks. I have a green, okay, my transition color is a brown out of that palette. Then my next transition color is a green turquoise out of that palette, and then a lighter brown, and then a red, and back over the crease. That is the color that I use. Maybe you guys can see that. So, and y'all already know my brows are usually done by doing the little what is it called? Done by the Nicka K clear mascara. My face is set by Jordana's light, Jordana's flawless coverage in medium, and that little clear palette I showed you. Then the next my light concealer is by Black Radiance, and I went over with Kiss and Cocoa. I have on some blush and Cocoa Brown, and I contoured it a little bit, as you guys can see. My as you guys can see, I put on a light peach blush, and then I went over to another lighter brown blush that they have in the palette for the blush. My lips are lined with Grape lip liner by NYX. Then I went over it with the Sephora purple, the tube that come in, that's $5. I'm trying to think, y'all. This is the NYX. It's in Purple Rain. That's what I use. Then the next color is, I went over it with this gloss. This gloss is Fashion Diva by Milani. Then I have on the Sephora lipstick in the deep purple. So, like I said, it's slight coverage, so you will see like some of my skin showing through. But, and my eyes are that gray brown again. So, yeah, under my eye, I use my Black Radiance mascara to detail my lashes. I have on a green shirt with pockets on it, and it has like little details for the lapels, little hooks. My necklace is the necklace that I got about 3 Christmases ago. This is the necklace that my kids bought me for one Christmas. It came with the earrings, but I don't have any earrings on today. I have on a toggle bracelet with like a hotel, a passport, Eiffel Tower, the airplane. It's in gold. So that's what that looks like. What else I do? Do I do anything else touching my face? No, that's about it. So this is my face today. Oh, and I have on maroon pants. So yeah, I have on maroon pants. So that's about it for what I look like today. I didn't do anything to help but comb it out, and you already know how I do. The highlight you're seeing is Glamouflage by Hard Candy. So I do have that on. That's about it. So this your girl Lovely Pamela. Hope you guys have a great day. Inspirational thought of the day. Does money make you, or do you make money? And what do you do with the money actually tells who you are. Whether you save it, spend it, or blow it away. If that's your personality, that's your personality. Never let anyone dictate what you do in your life or your money, because your money represents your life for some, and sometimes money just makes you comfortable. So that is my thought for today. Bye guys.